A difference of opinion is bound to arise among human beings, and argumentation is the only touchstone of validity of an opinion. To tell the truth, a sitting is cheerless and insipid without any conversation and pleasant talk. But one must never lose sight of politeness, love, and friendliness in debating and argumentation. So, when you want to speak against someone or want to contradict something, do not allow courtesy and refinement to go out of your hands. If you are talking face to face, be sweeter in conversation. Keep your countenance, voice, tone, appearance, and diction such that they express delicacy and gracefulness. Whenever you want to contradict, use the words of apology. For example, excuse me, I do not exactly get it, or I mistook it, or I misunderstand it. Though it sounds strange, but I'm sorry that I cannot share your views. When such expressions are exchanged 2 or 3 times and your friend still seems unconvinced, do not extend the controversy any further. End the controversy cordially with friendliness by saying, well, I'll think about it and discuss it at some later time, later on. Assure your friend that you do not feel hurt at all due to the difference of opinion and that you ever meant to annoy him. Because if doubt or disagreement persist for some more days, mutual love wanes, and then slowly friendship breaks off, and such a precious thing as friendship is lost. If you are in a gathering where there are people with different opinions, try not to bring about any controversial issue for debate as far as possible. For if controversial talk prolongs, it leads to mutual bickering. When you find that a talk has been prolonged and its tone and manner has changed, try to cut it short and amuse yourself with some jovial anecdotes. Written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. How should we resolve an issue when mutual understanding ceases and the difference of opinion increases? A difference of opinion is bound to arise among human beings, and the argumentation is the only criterion of validity of an opinion. But one must never lose sight of politeness in debate and argument. Therefore, at the time of debate, one must be courteous and soft-spoken. If the issue is not resolved quickly, leave the matter for time being and deal it some other time in better situations. What are the manners of conversation in a gathering? In gatherings, we normally have people of different thoughts, taste, and likings. A difference of opinion is basic in such situations. Here are some common manners of conversation in a gathering. We should avoid controversial talk in mixed gatherings. Still, if it happens, try to resolve it through a healthy discussion only. Be courteous and soft-spoken during this discussion. Try not to prolong controversial talk. Try to cut it short. Leave the matter for time being and deal it some other time in better situations. If needed, leave the venue and amuse yourself with something lighter. What suggestions has the author presented to understand each other better? A difference of opinion is basic in resolving problems. This difference of opinion can be resolved through discussion only. During the discussion, one can understand the other better. only if one never loses sight of politeness.